if you want to enable and set up mobile hotspot on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you can do is you can go to settings. Next, in settings, you should be able to find the more connectivity options. And then in here we have the portable hotspot. This is where we have the hotspot for the first time before we go in. So if you select this option, then after that there is a chance that you will find the hotspot in the main menu. So if you want to turn it on, of course, we can just tap on the portable hotspot, and now the hotspot is created. You can also go to set up portable hotspot in order to find the name of the hotspot and also the password. We can tap on this eye icon in order to reveal the password. You can tap on it in order to change it. And also we have some additional settings, like for example the AP band or the frequency. And of course tap on this check in order to save changes. When the hotspot is enabled, you can also share the QR code of the hotspot. So if on another device you can scan the QR code of the Wi-Fi, then of course you can do so without so you can connect to the Wi-Fi network without having to enter the password. You can also enable Wi-Fi 6. So we have the sixth generation standard available over here. We can enable the support, but of course keep in mind that if this option is enabled, some older devices might not be able to connect to your hotspot. Alright, so we're gonna go back, and there we go. As you can see, we do have portable hotspot in this place, and it is gone from here. So in the future, you can just go here. And also, if you go to quick settings or the control center, over here, we can add the hotspot as well. So you can quickly enable and disable this option. Let me actually try to find it. There we go. Here we have the hotspot. Let's add it to the list. So now we can just tap on this button in order to enable or disable our mobile hotspot. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.